Hello everyone, this is my review of this body hair trimmer. This body hair trimmer comes with two different attachments, one for your face, one for your body hair, and also two combs that you can adjust the hair length that you shave, a brush to clean out the attachments, and also a USB-C charger cable. The trimmer has a travel mode where you can lock it so it doesn't turn on while you have it in your travel bag. You just press it for 3 seconds and it will stop it from turning on, and you press it for 3 seconds again and you unlock it. You can adjust this comb adapter from 1 millimeter to 10 millimeters. It's easy to change the trimmer heads. You just pull them off and snap the other one right on top of it. The face trimmer is angled perfectly to make it easy for you to trim your face, and it cuts really well. The body hair trimmer is great as well. It's designed not to nick or snag in most sensitive areas. It's also waterproof, so it's easy cleaning. And like this trimmer, I hope this review helps.